How to add reveal animation in Wix Studio. I have in here this image and this text. Let's head over and add a reveal animation to those. Click onto this open inspector once you have particularly selected the image. From in there, click on entrance and click on add. And in here we have the reveal animation. Head over and click on that and it should be able to be applied to the image that we have right there, and it should be able to show us a preview as well. Now, you can also head over to other animation types, like for example on the hover, they also have the reveal option right there as well. Now let's head over right here into the text. Head over and open the inspector and go to animation and effects. Click on the add, and we have in here the reveal. So head over and apply it into this particular element, and it should be able to show us a preview, and from in there it should be able to be added. So that's how you add reveal animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.